Today I am going to show you all how to make a very delicious Pudina chicken with ginger and garlic. It is very simple, very easy and very tasty. So please note down the ingredients. For this we need chicken. Here we have chicken with bones. Then 2 to 3 chopped onions. This is approximately 1 kg of chicken I have here, and for this 2 to 3 big onions. If the size is smaller, it can be 3 to 4. Then tomato puree of 2 to 3 tomatoes. Here I have some thick curd to marinate our chicken. So this is approximately 3/4 of a cup of chicken. 3/4 cup of curd to marinate the chicken. Then here red chili powder, coriander powder, this is dhania powder, salt, cumin seeds, that is jeera. Here I have 1 lemon. Then here I have a cup of fresh mint leaves. We will chop these and add in a chicken. So this is the most important ingredient for our Pudina chicken. Pudina leaves, mint leaves. Then here I have 1/4 cup of butter. 1 teaspoon roasted jeera, cumin, dry roasted cumin powder. Then here I have 1.5 teaspoon of garlic and 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger. We are going to add a little more of ginger. It gives a very good flavor to this Pudina chicken. And now, first of all, I'll show you how to marinate our chicken. For marinating our chicken, first of all, we'll wash and clean the chicken. And now we will add garlic, ginger, then salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, and we will squeeze in this lemon juice. You can use lemon juice of 1 to 2 lemons. Here in goes the juice of all the lemons. Be careful, we have to take out the seeds. Here I've got 1 or 2 seeds inside. I'll take them out. So here our lemon juice goes in. Now we will also add cumin powder. And first we will rub all these spices. We will rub these masalas, dry spices and lemon into these chicken pieces. And now we will also add this thick curd, beaten curd, and mix in this chicken nicely. And then we will keep this chicken, marinated chicken, for minimum 2 to 3 hours if you want a real good taste. See, you can also marinate and keep it in fridge for overnight or even 2 days. It will taste even better. But minimum 2 hours marination we need to get a real good taste of this Pudina chicken. So now I'll cover it with a cling film and keep it in the refrigerator for approximately 2 to 2.5 hours, and then we will make this Pudina chicken. Here now I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in this pan and heated it. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Now onions, and we will saute these onions till they get a beautiful golden brown color. So friends, here see, now our onions are golden brown in color. They have sauteed nicely. Now we will add, see, we have also added red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, all those dry spices in our marinated chicken also. So you have to be careful accordingly, and accordingly you have to add the dry spices here for the masala. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and tomato puree, and we will mix everything nicely. See, I have added lot of ginger and garlic in my marinated chicken. So here I have not added, but I am going to add ginger later on. After adding the chicken, then I'll add some ginger because it gives a very good taste. So now we will also add our butter here. 2 tablespoons of butter or 1/4 cup that we have set. We will also put this butter, and now we will keep our chicken pieces. See, here I had marinated and kept this in fridge for 5 to 6 hours, and now we are going to add in our chicken pieces in this masala. Also added the marinated liquid that was left, in which we had marinated the chickens. We put all that inside here, and now we will let this chicken to cook for a few minutes. See how nice color it is getting. This butter will make it little crispier, and it gives a very good color and texture to the chicken pieces. So here we'll let it cook for some time. We'll cover it and keep it. See, I have not added any water till now here. So we will reduce the flame to medium, and then we will cover it and keep it for some time. Now we'll reduce the flame to medium and we'll let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes, and then we will check. Here, now see, we'll check. As we open the lid of the pan, beautiful flavors, aroma of all these dry spices. See what nice lovely color. Here one thing I'll remind to you all is I have not added any turmeric powder in this because I love this color, sort of red and pink, but if you all want, you can add a little bit of turmeric. And now it will need another few minutes to get completely cooked. Here we'll come to know from this leg piece, it will take another few minutes because this leg, this skin, this fat from here would leave the bone. So that is a tip. We come to know that a chicken is properly cooked. So it is going to take another few minutes. We'll cover it and leave it for another 5 to 6 minutes. What lovely flavors, what a beautiful aroma. Now see here, it is done now. See, our chicken pieces have become smaller in size, they have shrinked, and here see, this piece has, this leg piece, see here, it has started, see here, separating. So this is, our chicken is perfectly, it is cooked, it is tender. So now we will add little garam masala and also some more of grated ginger or very finely chopped ginger, and half a cup full of chopped mint leaves, pudina leaves. See, if you don't have fresh pudina, fresh mint, you can also add your mint powder, pudina powder, which is very easily available everywhere. So sometimes you don't get this fresh mint, so you can use that mint powder. And now this very delicious and tasty mint chicken is ready, and now we will take it out in a serving dish to serve. Here our very delicious Pudina chicken is ready. Our chicken in mint gravy is ready. So hope you will all try this recipe at home and enjoy this Pudina chicken. with garlic and ginger flavor. Thank you, friends.